Hi, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird and Warner Glenbrook office. Today we get to have a sneak peek at a coming soon property that we have listed here in Wilmette. And I thought it would be fun to show you a little bit about a preview of how we go about coming up with proper pricing and the marketing plan for this homeowner. The first step is we take a tour of the home and the homeowner walks me through room by room and we talk about the amenities of the house, what kind of things we would change, what kind of things that we like, and how it compares to the neighbors. I also like to ask the homeowner what especially they've loved living here and how that might pertain to telling a story about the house when we go for the marketing plan and to see a new homeowner loving it just like they did. We go inside and outside. We take a look at what kind of deferred maintenance might be required, if there's anything that we can take care of during the coming soon period before we have pictures and staging and do that sort of thing. We want to take care of any red flags, because when a buyer sees something, like for example there's a crack in a ceiling, if it costs $1,000 to repair, the buyers just don't know. So if they see that crack, they always do ×3 and they think it's a $3,000 problem. So any of those kinds of things we want to handle, fixing any deferred maintenance and get it staged and showing ready. I like to ask questions about the ages of appliances and features of the home so that I can get a complete picture of the amenities and what kind of things the buyers are looking for. So I'll ask about the furnace and the washer and dryer, the sump pump, and just get a complete picture so that we understand how we can best highlight the features of the property. I'm pleased to introduce my new Home Everything program. It's one-stop shopping before, during, and after the sale for taking care of things that you need to get your home ready for sale, as well as once you move in and you're a new homeowner, you can take advantage of my list of handyman, painter, electrician, plumbers, and other things that you need around your home for one stop. These are the kinds of invaluable insights I share with my clients when they choose to work with me. Hire me today.